Hola, señora Vaz with instructions for today. Today, to close our chapter, we're going to have the last quiz that is related to the vocabulary that we were seeing last class, the vocabulary about the weather. So you have your quiz right here. You already completed your warm-up in the first 5 minutes. So you had your quiz right here. As usual, please, last name with capital, first name with the capital, excuse me. And then you check your grade, whatever your grade is, your grade level. And it says, select the answer that best matches the picture. So you have a picture of somebody here, and you're going to tell me which one of these expressions would be the expression to use in that case. Same with this picture and all those pictures. So that's the first part. And the second part says, unscramble the following words to get the 4 seasons in part A, and then type the meaning in English in part B. So this is part A, 1A. So you have some letters here. You're going to tell me what season spells with those letters. You spell it right in lowercase right here. And then for 1B, you're going to tell me what does this word that you spell here means in English. Same with this one, same with this one, and same with that one. And that's all the quiz. So you're done with your quiz. That's quiz 3, P3. All right. Now let's go to the final assessment. So this is the final assessment for the chapter. So this covers all the chapter. As usual, I put the audios here in case that the audios don't work, the videos don't work in your form. I put the videos here with the audios. So let's see how it looks like. Again, 5 points for putting your name correctly and then checking your right class. Now this one says, escuchar, that's listening. You plan to spend a month in Bolivia as an exchange student because you want to avoid making mistakes when responding to questions. You have asked a friend to help you practice your Spanish. Listen, then choose the most appropriate response to each comment or question. Look at the possible responses and select the letter of the best answer. The best answer. You will hear the questions twice. So you hear somebody saying something 2 times. And then you're going to see which one of these options will fit best to what you hear. For example, you hear somebody greeting, hello. So the best answer would be something that greets back. For example, somebody saying, it's good to meet you, nice to meet you. And then something that would match that would say likewise. Or for example, somebody's asking for the name. What is your name? So the best answer would be, my name is. So, and if it's about time, or if it's about days of the week, or it's about calendar, you just need to, like dates, you need to see which one matches better. So you have a few of those there. Then for part B, says read the following weather report and answer the questions. So you have a weather report right here. And you're going to answer these questions based on what you read here. Okay, you select the correct answer. You have 6 questions here. Okay, and then this one is about vocabulary that we learned during this unit. And you have a picture. You're going to select what word corresponds to that picture. First, look at all the pictures. And then you select your answers. And that is it. So as you see, it's very simple, it's very short, and you will have some time. So what is that time for? Well, with that time that you have left today during class, you're going to go back and you are going to study the new vocabulary. So you're going to have vocabulary 2. This is your vocabulary 2, but I also put the visual aid. In the visual aid, you have slides. I'm going to pronounce the words so you can practice the pronunciation of the words. Patinar. Escribir cuentos. Trabajar. Tocar la guitarra. Usar la computadora. Montar en monopatín. Hablar por teléfono. Esquiar. Escuchar música. Nadar. Pasar tiempo con amigos. Dibujar. Practicar deportes. Montar en bicicleta. Jugar videojuegos. Cantar. Bailar. Enseñar. Estudiar. Ver la tele. Correr. Ir a la escuela. Leer revistas. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Me gusta. No me gusta. Okay, those are the words that we're going to be working with. As I showed you already, you had the meanings for those words right here. They had the words in English. And also, we have a Quizlet. So I made this Quizlet that we can probably play if we had time. And in this Quizlet, you had the words. And when you flip it, you should be able to hear it.
Hablar por teléfono.
So you can hear different pronunciations. Here you move.
Escuchar música.
And you can practice also how to say the words. Okay, so that is all that we're doing today. I hope to see you soon. Adios.